trees, you can help protect the Jaguar's home. Adopt a Jaguar for just £3 a month and receive a special welcome pack. Call 0800 138 8037 or visit skyjaguar.com before it's too late.
What are you doing, Tyler? What are you doing?
Ready to watch whenever you are. It's easy to unlock on demand. All you need is a Sky TV subscription, a broadband connection, and a compatible Sky Plus box, which you'll need to connect to your broadband router. You can do this using an Ethernet cable.
You're gonna blow bubbles?
Find out more at sky.com/on-demand. To unlock on demand today, simply connect your Sky Plus box to your broadband router. Sky, believe in better.
Uh-oh, you're getting cranky.
You descend deeper into the woods. The gnarled and twisted trees grow as an icy wind tears away the last of autumn's golden leaves. As night falls, the forest comes to life. All around us, a chorus of creatures awaken, chittering in the trees. Dingy dark eyes glisten in shadows. The night air is heavy.